So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. This is the old one that was in place. And I don't see the name. It's up there somewhere. Looks like GE, maybe. Anyways, it looks really old. Bottom burner, which was interesting. The burner just slides right in from there. And we got a call. There was water had flooded the garage. You can see here, all the way over to the water heater. And so they knew it was leaking. It's not in great shape, but you can't really tell. I mean, always you look here and see if that's leaking maybe, or up top. But it was leaking pretty good. And so now that we have it out, I can actually show you what's leaking. So you can see that scale buildup, that raised calcium color. That's our hard water, calcium, magnesium. And so it was just weeping through. For probably a period of time, you had debris sitting down on the bottom of the tank. It got in those little crevices, and it just sat there and corroded until it finally broke through, and it probably just weeped a little bit, just a little tiny leak. And what happens is over a period of time, it develops, it gets worse and worse until finally it just bursts and sprays. So this wasn't too bad, a little bit of water damage out here, but I think you're in good shape. As far as the water heater goes, we've got, this is what we got up here. Take a look real quick. So up top, we gave you a brand new shutoff valve. It's a Watts 3/4 inch full port ball valve, brass, and then of course a brass nipple down to a Falcon stainless steel connector. And so that guy there is a full 3/4 inch inside diameter down to a brass extension. So brass and stainless steel flow great. Iron pipe not so much, and that's what your home is, iron pipe coming out of the wall. And we don't replace that because it's attached to the wall. This one was really bad. We couldn't get a connector on there. The threads were damaged, so we did replace that. So that piece of pipe is brand new. And then a Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. That is your existing B vent that goes up through the roof, not ours, but we did give you a little extension right here. We didn't like the way that this was fitting down onto the draft diverter, and so we just cut you a little piece right here. We need to get some screws around there and there, but it slips up on the inside, and then we screw it to the draft diverter, and then you're back in business. This here is a relief valve, comes with the water heater. Temperature and or pressure is relieved. If you have trouble with the unit or this valve becomes defective or worn, then this will pop off and drain the water out. Another Falcon stainless steel connector. These are code 3/4 inch inside diameter, so that's good. Coming down here, you've got a new adjustable strap on the upper third. You've got a new adjustable strap on the lower third. And then the gas line was piped out of the wall. You can see it's back there, so it was kind of a conflict with the water heater. So what we did is we took a couple straps first, mounted it, and strapped the pipe so it's not moving around. And then we put some blocks up here because the water heater does not sit against the wall. So we needed something to strap it to, so just little blocks up there. And then, so it's strapped nice and tight. Brand new gas valve right here. And then, of course, a brand new connector over to it. When we get this lit, we're going to set this to hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. You can see scalding risk increases with hotter water. So don't turn this up. Just leave it at 120. And any trouble with fixtures in the home as far as hot water goes, you probably have something going on inside the home, but not the water heater. Anyways, everything here looks good outside of that. This installation is done. Oh, let me give you the serial number and model number, or at least I'll have it. And there it is right there. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read it. XB47398756. And CURG 152 6N.